Hello, welcome to Vikas Handlooms Pochampalli. Today I am showing my new Ikat product Bone Shake Special Double Weaving Sarees. Price will be 13.5 to 14.5. We are having number of collections. It's our own product and we supply wholesale and retail with courier services. Free shipping all over India. Only international services will be charged. Special offers for our subscribers. This is Bone Shake Sarees. This is Pallu. In this pallu you can see elephant design and parrot design between the checks, and it's with cutty border. And this is blouse. Blouse will be also in checks. In this design you can see two types of checks. One is plain checks and one is with thread design and with cutty border. And this is complete saree. It's royal blue with pink combination. And in between these boxes you can see two types of design. One is with plain and one is with thread design. And there are three design in this sarees. One is with elephant, one is with parrot and one is with tree design. And this is complete saree. This saree cost will be 14,500. There are number of collections in these sarees. This is one more color option in the same design. Pink color blouse with box design. In these parrots you can see parrots, elephants in these big boxes. This is two types of checks. One is plain checks and one is thread design. It's like a chain link with cutty border. And this is blouse. In blouse also you can see two types of design. One is thread design and one is chain link. It's like a chain design. It's copper sulfate with pink combination. In these boxes you can see three types of design. One is parrot design, one is elephant and one is tree design. It's a rare combination. Copper sulfate with pink combination with curdy border. It's a rare combination and this saree cost will be 14,500. And this is red combination pallu. And this is two types of design. In these boxes you can see parrot design and elephants with curdy border. This is blouse. In blouse you can see boxes design. One is plain checks and one is like thread design. It's like a chain design. It's maroon and red combination. You can see cutty border. And this color is bottle green. It's a dark green. And this between this saree you can see three types of design. One is parrot design, one is elephant and one is tree design. And you can see like a joker design. It's a baby doll. In this design also you can see plain design and with thread design, chain link. You can see complete saree view. It's a bottle green with red and pink combination border. This saree is named as Bone Checks and this saree cost is 14,500. And this is also same design. This is pallu and you can see two types of design. One is parrot design and one is elephant design. And this type checks will be two types. One is with jari, one is with chain link design. It's a thread design. This is complete pink color combination blouse. In this blouse also will be checks, and in checks will be two types of design. One is plain design and one is with thread design. This is pink combination, and this is complete saree view. It's a yellow combination with pink. In this between you can see three types of design, three types of colors. One elephant is like green combination, and three design is with pink combination, and between is yellow combination. And this is also, it's like a chain link. It's with curdy border. This is our own product of Vikas Handlooms. This saree is named as Bone Checks. And this is also same design. There are color options with the same design. It's with pink combination, pink and navy blue combination. One is with parrot design, one is with elephant design in between the boxes. The boxes are two types of design. One is with border, one is with plain design, and it's with curdy border. And this is blouse. Blouse also there are two types of design. One is with plain design and one is with like thread design. The blouse will be also checks. It's with curdy border. And this is navy blue combination. You can see three types of design. In one box you can see parrot, and one box you can see elephant, and the upper you can see tree design, and you can see baby doll design also. There are 4 design in this pattern. It's navy blue with pink combination. This saree cost is also 14,500. We can supply all over India. It's a wholesale and retail market. We are supplying wholesale and retail. And this is royal blue pallu, and with curdy border. In one box you can see parrot design, and in other box you can see elephant. It's like a chain link. And this is navy royal blue blouse. Blouse is also like boxes design with curdy border. If you can see closer, you can see two types of boxes in this design. And this is half-white with mustard combination. It's a rare combination. You can see closer to this saree also. There are two types of design in this. One is box is in parrot, and the other box is elephant, and other box is a tree design, and other box is baby doll. It's a rare combination. And this saree cost is 14,500. And this is bottle green pallu with curdy border. And one box you can see parrot, and other box you can see elephant. And blouse is bottle green color. It's a dark green with curdy border. You can see checks closerly. And this is dark pink shade with bottle green combination. It's a rare combination. It's very beautiful saree. And one box you can see parrot, and other box you can see elephant, and other box you can see tree design, and other box you can see baby doll. It's a rare combination. This is the complete saree view. This saree cost is 14,500.